My name is DK Pandey. Today we are going to discuss about the Dobot Magician robotic system. First about what is the robotic. According to the robotic science, we can define that it can follow the human instruction. This equipment have the 4 axes. This is able to move X, Y, Z, and even we can use the joints like J1, J2, J3 and J4. We are going to discuss very completely inside the software. But first of all, they made by the stepper motors, and the 3 point they are using the steppers motor. According to our command, they are going to move to our workplace. For starting the system, just we need to press this power button, and after that we have to open the software because this is the control by the software. Then I have to start the Dobot Studio, and this a small robot, they have some small other modules to use with this one. This is called the writing module. We can use for the writing. We are going to write something. This part is responsible for the pick and place. We are going to use for the pick and place. Then this is our second experiment. Others we call the laser engraving. We can use this part for the laser engraving. Either we can make some designing or burn something. This part is called the auto calibration point. We are going to use for the calibration. Next about this part is responsible for the 3D printing, and we are going to use last of the experiment. And the camera we are using for the color detection, and after that we can use our robotic to pick and place the different color. Okay, to start the software, first when we open the Dobot software, then they will ask to select your module. Suppose I want to use for the writing. Now I'll just click the writing, and I'll go to the connection mode. Then I'll have to place the connections. Okay, means we have the connection with our robot. We can able to see that if I pressing the X, then this direction is moving. This is the arrow for the x-axis, this is the arrow for the y-axis. Suppose I want to press the y, it's going back to that direction, and even we can see the live position of our robot. Second, about if we are pressing the G1, and we can see that what is the position is there. Similarly, I want to write something here, then what we have to do that, we have to put our module inside the robot. To inserting this robot, first we have to take this is the correct position, and we have to either we can press this point, then it can move it here and it will be locked. I'll put it back, I'll insert it like this, and then I'll make it tight. And we can remove the knob. Suppose I want to write something here. This is my notepad, and I want to write. For example, I want to write the Deva. And how I can write? I can put it here. Okay. Second point. Then go to the input text. I want to write Deva. Otherwise, I can write Dubai. I like 3 city. Dubai. If I press OK, it will come to here. But now I am using my notepad. Then according to like how big size I am using here, we have to define our locations so that the machine can make the correct writing on our notepad. Then I'll just press the synchronize. Okay, then this will be the point where they are going to start the writing. Then better to make like this. Either we can shift the point also. Suppose I want to see like what will be the end point. They are going to start it from here. Then I have to move the robotics from this point to that point. Just I want to see like where is going to finish the writing. Then I'll press this part. Means for writing the Dubai we need the very big page and our page is small. Then what we can do that I can write the only Deva. If you want to write the bigger, then we need to use the bigger space of the paper. And what I'm going to do that just I'll clear it from here. Otherwise you have the one more solution. We can compress this image. Suppose I want to compress and I can compress this image. How I'm doing the compression? I'll bring the mouse here and just I'll hold and drag it back. This is our image. Now I'll put the synchronize. Okay, and I can see that what is the big size they are going to cover. Then I'll move to the Y direction. Okay, my writing will going to finish. Then I'll give the more space. And second point, we have to find out the correct Z positions. And finding the correct Z positions, I'll move to some other place. Suppose I'll move to the here. Okay, and I'll take the Z direction down. And I'll move the X and see like how smoothly it's moving. Okay, then I can put X other direction. Okay, it's fine. Then I'll put the auto Z on that positions. And then we'll go to the start and we'll see how they are writing. Yeah. One more thing we can notice that the first D is not that clear. The reason behind it, my paper is not as smooth. If you want to write the very smooth, see the other D is how clear, but in the starting D it is not clear. The reason behind it, my paper is not placed very well. If you want to write very nice and smooth, then we need to put the better papers with the correct directions. Directions means the uniformity should be same, like it should be not zigzag path, should we have to put it there. Okay, see, we can able to see that I wrote here Deva Dubai. Even similarly we can write anything, even we can use the shape here. Shape, yeah, we can use the some image. Suppose if you have to make the some image by pen, they will draw the image also.